Guys, no, welcome of my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe of my YouTube channel. Please guys, like and share. So guys, as addicts in company, as addicts in manager of the company, so gipaningkamutan ako guys nga mahimo kong star hobby to diamond hantod mahimo kang ambassador. So by consistent, by using our product and by reseller of our product guys, and by invited the people guys, those who join me of this same company. So we have a membership guys is 600 pesos without product and 1,200 with product of the company of Lindsay Coffee guys. So welcome guys to join our opportunity business of our business guys, as a star agent of company, as a manager of company of the decent company. So welcome those who join of our company. So prepare lang niyo guys ang 600 for registration. The purpose of our registration of our company guys is to discounted card guys, nga matagaan mo discounted sa to ang company guys. So welcome those who nga wala mga trabaho o maskin pa doon na mga trabaho for additional yung income. So welcome mo guys sa opportunity business of the leasing company. So may ako ninyo guys ang ato ang social media guys, the great entrepreneur of the leasing company, Violeta Blanco Pulido of my Facebook guys, of my Facebook page guys. So welcome. Now, thank you for join me. Welcome. So from now, goodbye to all of you. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, like and share. Don't forget to click the button below of my YouTube channel. I am Violeta Blanco Pulido. So this is my house guys. Daan na kayo nga house na guys is 30 years old na. 30 years na ang maong panimalay guys. So pag hindi na usab. So badak na ako guys. Kung mag-success ako sa next end guys, ako nang ipa third floor guys. Kaya naman second floor. So ako nang third floor guys. Puhon. Kung dako na akong income sa DXN guys. So, this is my apo guys. Apo, say hi, hello. Hello, hi. Join mo sa DXN sa akong lola. Ipalanggan ko sa akong lola. Palitan ko gatas sa akong lola. Kung dawat ay ang bonus. Thank you guys. Welcome.